Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Kiran Kadam. I'm working with a QD42 as a front-end team lead, and today I'm going to showcase you the latest update in Space Design System 2X. With our last release, we gave our people ability to change colors, typography, background colors directly from the admin panel where there is no coding is required, and this was a big step for us. But even then we think upon some new improvements. For example, if you change any color, we have to save the configuration, go to that page and refresh the page and then see if it is looks right. So we thought about it and we went back and made it even better. So with our new release, we worked on branding colors by providing a new presets over there. So you can see the presets added over here. So using those instead of starting with a blank page or figuring out the new color from scratch, you can select the presets from here, and then after selecting those you can update your colors from here. So this will help you to start or create your page with a preset directly without wasting a time. With that, we have provided a live preview section over here. You can see the components in a live preview as per the front page you set it. Then you can see the device selection is also added, so you can check your page in a different devices like tablet and mobile. And then we have provided a toggle button over here which is work for dark mode and light mode. If you selected the dark mode, the page can see in a live preview how it will look like in a dark mode for selected preset. If you change the preset, it will also change the branding as per the dark mode for that preset, and it work for all the presets. So this is about dark mode, and as per the preset the branding colors will get updated in the live preview section. Also, if you change the font from here, it will automatically reflect in a live section in a real time. I'll just showcase you by changing it to 26. You can see it is updated. And similarly for the fonts, so we have added some new fonts as well, like Inter, Monster, Roboto. If I selected this font, you can see the changes is updated real time in a live preview section. So this is the live preview section. So I'll just do refresh. So I'll just showcase you the page which is created using component with selected preset. So this is the default preset selected, and using that page is created. I'll just change the preset to warm sand and save configuration. Now just refresh the page. You can see as per that preset components branding is updated, and if I do any changes by editing the canvas, for example, if I duplicate this and if I just save the canvas and if I go here in live preview, it will get automatically updated over here in live preview. If I just remove this and save, it will get updated in live preview automatically. So this is another feature about the live preview. And then we also provided tour option over here, the tour which is dependent on tour module. Like if anyone is new to the settings, theme settings, they can easily navigate using like what is the use of this and navigate using next. Okay, so it will help you to understand what it means. So this is about tour. And then we have also provided support for the storybook. You can see that we have integrated the storybook for the SDC component. So basically SDC is having props and slots. So props are fields and slots are dynamic components that we can place. So in storybook as well, in a basic section, you can see the fields is having this image and title, for example, or a full name, but there is one slot for a link or any other content which is random text. But in a preview, you can see in that slot we have added a link component. So like that it works. Even all other settings which we have provided for that particular STC components is working. You can see the updates at the components, right? So this storybook support is also provided for all the components. Then we have also covered accessibility fixes and improvements in accessibility so that web page or website will be accessible to everyone. Also we have worked on performance. I'll just showcase you the lighthouse performance of this page in a mobile with all this category. Let's analyze. So you can see the performance is 99, accessibility 98, best practice is 100% followed, and ACO is 92. And I'll just also check in desktop. So you can see the 198, 192, right? So performance wise also it's optimized. I also show you the mobile of this. You can see the components is properly managed in mobile, right? In accordion case, we have managed the accordion title because sometimes it gets behind the sticky header, so we have managed that. And also slider is also properly handled over here. we have added default header. So this is about the space design system new release. So this release is like 2.1.1, and you can also try by using this and create your landing pages and production ready pages using the space design system, and let us know like whatever your feedback is, so that we can do a improvement as well in the system. So that's it about all we have in this release. So it's a smarter, simple, and provide an real-time update in theme setting, whatever you have done in your home page or a front page. Stay tuned with us. We'll have some new updates as well in upcoming time. Thank you so much.